Alright.
Wait, we have to first find the card. Find it. This is mine. It's yours. Open it. It's yours. Open it.
Mom.
What's it? It's mine. It's mine. It is yours. It's my hat. Is it? Where's Mommy? It's my hat.
You know what? I may need to get some scissors, baby.
Can I just pull it, please? It's plastic.
It's a hat.
Hey!
Mom, can you open it?
You look so great! It's beautiful.
Do that one,
That's
Mommy.
beautiful. That's beautiful.
What is this? Juice box.
Those are
Juice
Whoppers. They've got
Whoppers. Whoppers.
Yeah.
What's in that
I got
one?
little birdie straws. Mom, I got birdie straws. Oh, cool.
Can't open this.
Look what I got. I got a fish. Mom, I got a fish. Oh, very cool.
Oh, you got shoes. Front feet.
I got all kinds of eggs.
Good job.
Does Jenny have something in there? Have them here.
Well, it's just like you, Austin, to figure it out, huh?
Awesome! I got eggs. I got a new piece of gum.
Whoa.
It's Christmas gum. Look, I got a piece of gum, so it's my gum. I get the take
Christmas
care of my
gum. Never heard of such a thing.
Doesn't matter.
Christmas gum.
It's my gum.
Christmas gum?
What is this? I'm gonna open it. Mommy, how do you open this? Whoa! What are these things? I got a Whopper. Can I eat it?
One.
Candy! Candy!
Wow, baby.
You got a penny! Got a penny! I wish! I wish like you! I got a new race car.
Wow.
New popcorn! I got a new lizard. Look at my lizard.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look at mine! Look at mine! This one!
I got
Candy!
candy. Oh, more candy.
I
Yay!
got candy in this thing. More candy to the hair. This is where the changes are.
Awesome. It's a piggy bank to put the money.
Yay.
Here's your money.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay.
Sweet, I got my money. I got a big giant egg with a car in it.
Wow.
Awesome.
Makeup!
Oh no. Check you out.
Hey.
Sweet, I got another piece of candy. And it's
Ooh.
awesome. Can I have some? Come here. What is this? What is this?
What do you say to Nana Kathy?
What is this?
Thank you. That's all you got to screw it down.
Mom, what is this?
Nice.
Hiccups! Makeovers!
It's a drink. You pour it in your water.
Sweet. You got a new piece of gum. Sweet. But don't open it. You lost one of the things. Oh, here's another egg. Yeah. I got more change.
Wow.
There's no pennies.
Now you guys can pay me back.
No. I got this. Wait, this goes with that. What are you going to do next? Oh. I got a piggy bank.
There you go.
No, it's not. Mom, look what I got.
That's awesome.
Sweet. I knew this was mine. Awesome. Mom, I want mine. What are these? Where are these?
You might have to read.
What are these? Mommy,
You put 'em-
these
you put 'em in-
$10.
You put them in your.
This is mine.
No, Jen, you put in a drink.
No, it's a drink.
All right.
I
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you.
How do you do that? Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Very, very, very much. Bye.